guys, if you want me to do this like supermarket icon, just tell in the comments. Yes, I'm just going to do it. And if you want to, just comment and I'll do it. Just one comment. If you just comment, I'm just gonna post it. If you said you want it shorts or you want it video like that, anything you want, just if you want to. And I'm gonna get. It just started. I started with 2. How much are my bills? Bills.